Hey friends, welcome back to RV Gear and Getaways. All right, we may have found one of the best sunset spots on the Space Coast, and hardly anyone talks about it. But before we get there, we're going to spend the day around Port Canaveral and hit some really good food spots and then head over to Cocoa Beach. And there might just be a rocket launch today, so we'll see what happens. Let's go. This place is always busy and there's always something fun going on. You've got cruise ships, fishing boats, restaurants. It's just a really fun place to hang out, even if you're not going on a cruise. Okay, first up is Grills. Grills has drinks, live bands, and sometimes people dancing. It's just a really fun energy here. At Grills, you'll find several different dining options. You can sit out back on the deck where the live band music usually is playing. There's also a tiki bar there with lots of seating area, which is also a fun vibe. You can sit out on the upper back deck out by the deep sea fishing boats. You'll be right next to a cruise ship if there's one at the terminal next door. And as you can see, they have some shade coverage because it does get a little warm, but it's beautiful with the nice little breeze coming off the water. It was very windy here today, so they put up a screen to protect from the wind blowing too strongly. And if you time it just right, you literally sit here and watch the deep sea fishing charters come in for the day with their catch. I think everyone should give it a try. You might catch the big one. And of course, there's always sitting back, relaxing with a drink and watching the ships go by. So next up is Fishlips. It's actually 2 stories and probably my favorite place to go. They've got great food, which all the restaurants in Port Canaveral do. But I just love the upper deck on this one. There's plenty of dining options. You can sit downstairs inside or downstairs outside and see all the activities going on. It's a big dining area. If you come to Fishlips, you really need to check out the upstairs. It's awesome up there. It's a whole nother vibe. They've got plenty of seating for eating and just hanging out. They've got a sports bar, as you can see, with several TVs available with all different sports going on. And then outside, there's another bar. Can you catch my theme here? So there's an outside bar, and then there's outside seating, high deck seating as well to watch all the ships go by. It's really a fun place with really good food. If you're looking for a good spot to watch a rocket launch, Fishlips is by far, I think, the best view up on the upper deck. Next up is Rusty's. This is more of a laid-back kind of place with live acoustic music, nothing too crazy. You can actually sit here, have dinner, talk, hang out with family and friends without it being super loud. And this is honestly one of the best spots to watch the cruise ships leave. People waving, music playing. It's just a really cool atmosphere. If you look closely, you might see a tuber going through the tube on the Disney ship. Now, these guys really concerned me because you are seriously not supposed to be flying over that close to a cruise ship, so don't do it. Okay, Rising Tide Tap and Table. Don't miss this one. If you want to get away from the crowds a little bit but still have really good food, this is the spot. Totally different feel from the waterfront places, but still really nice vibe and really good food. My recommendation after you've had all that really good food, go walk the Jetty Pier. You'll be amazed what you can see off the pier on a clear water day. Okay, up next is the Cocoa Beach Pier. Westgate recently purchased the pier and has done some really great upgrades. So if you haven't been there in a while, it's worth checking it out again. You can rent beach umbrellas, so if you're just visiting and don't have, those things with you, you can rent them there. You should check out the bar that overlooks the beach with the waves, the surfers, the beach goers. Might see a dolphin or two. There are plenty of places to eat here at the Cocoa Beach Pier. One recommendation I do have is maybe find parking elsewhere, maybe closer to Ron Jon's, because they do charge for parking, but most importantly, it gets filled really early. Okay, you cannot come to Cocoa Beach and not visit Ron Jon Surf Shop. It's open 24 hours a day, so visit anytime. It's huge and it's wild. And also you can park nearby. It's kind of walking distance to the pier from here. Okay, remember that sunset spot we were talking about? This is it. It's just peaceful here. This is one of those spots that's easy to miss, but totally worth scheduling into the end of your day. Let's enjoy the sunset. Maybe we'll get lucky and see a green flash. I don't know.